Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so I have found some more survey spoilers. Now these are possible spoilers that might show up in the boxes if they get enough votes. And they could go in any one of the boxes. It could go into pop-up, it could go into just about anything. And these were found on Elizabeth Wolf's channel, so they were sent to Elizabeth. So if you're excited about this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing more BoxyCharm August pop-up spoilers. Well, thank you so much, Stephanie Ellis. Stephanie says, "Hi love, thank you for posting these. I hope you're feeling better." Aw, Stephanie, honey, thank you so much for asking. I'm feeling better. I get really weak and really tired, and these should have went out way before now. You know, I'm putting these videos up late, but I fell asleep when I got home from the doctor, so. But nonetheless, I'm getting them up, and Stephanie, I really appreciate you asking me how I'm doing, honey. I hope you're doing well, and I really appreciate you having your notification bell on and coming and watching the videos. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either search about and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you are not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so during that time. You're going to see a little red heart. It's going to turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of 2020, and who don't need that right now? So let's go ahead and do that. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now again, these are survey spoilers, possible spoilers that might show up in future boxes. It could show up in future pop-up. We don't know until they're confirmed. And again, these surveys were sent to Elizabeth Wolf, so I am going to give her credit as well as link her video down below. I just kind of name off the product and the price. So if you want to hear any opinions or anything on any of these products, you might want to go check out her video. So the first thing that we see is the Tarte Busy Gal Brows Tinted Brow Gel. This is valued at $18. Next we see the Tarte Cosmetics Double Duty Beauty Shape Tape Glow Wand. This is valued at $25. Next up we see the Tarte Man-Eater Plump and Proud Lip Plumper, valued at $25. Next is the Tarte Sugar Rush Couple Goals Double-Ended Lip Gloss. Now, there is a cream on one side and a gloss on the other. This is valued at $18. Next is the Tarte Cosmetics Big Ego Sketch and Set Brow Pencil and Tinted Gel. This is valued at $24. Next is an eyeshadow palette, guys. This is the Persona Cosmetics Identity 2 eyeshadow palette, valued at $42. Next up is the Cav Cosmetics Day and Night eyeshadow palette, valued at $52. Next we see the Dominique Cosmetics Cream Matte Liquid Lipsticks. Now you will get 1 out of these 4 shades if it is confirmed to be in future boxes, valued at $18. Next is the Beauty Blender Bounce Liquid Whip Longwear Foundation, valued at $40. Next up we see the Suave Beauty Artesian Eyeshadow Palette, valued at $44. And then we also see this Clearance USA Gentle Foaming Cleanser with Cottonseed. This is valued at $27. Next up is the Laura Geller Quench Intense Hydrating Foundation, valued at $34. And then as well as the Laura Geller Baked Bronze and Brighten. This is valued at $34 as well. Next up, this is the Ren Clean Skincare Perfect Canvas Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser, valued at $32. Now, we did see this in one of my past survey spoiler videos, so good chance of it getting confirmed. Next up is, I don't know how to say this name, guys, is Odacite, I believe that's how you say it, the Blue Aurora Cleansing Water, valued at $39. Next, we see the Lashes MD Eyelash Growth Serum, valued at $69.95. Next, we see the Rowan Kiss My Liquid Lip Balm, and there is 1 of 3 shades that you might get if, again, it's confirmed. This is valued at $26. Next is the Bite Beauty Lip Stains, valued at $28. Next is another one that we've seen in a past survey spoiler that I've done. It's the 111 Skin. Guys, this is actually the Celestial Black Diamond Contour Gel. Next is the Malin and Goats Resurfacing Face Serum. Again, this is one thing we've seen in a past video. This is valued at $20. Next is the Verb Hair Mask, valued at $18. And then last but certainly not least is a Baddington Lash Mascara and Curler Eye Set. So this is valued at $42. So let me know what you think about any one of these items down in the comment section. What are you hoping that will be confirmed to be in a future box? And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Thank you so much, Carrie Melnitz. I hope I said that right, but if I did, if I butchered it, I do apologize. Anyways, Carrie says, love the spoilers. Well, Carrie, honey, I'm so glad that you are enjoying the spoilers, honey. I hope you get something that you really do like, and I really appreciate you coming and watching my videos. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you gotta leave that comment if you want to shout out. Guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept gifts, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but you're only gonna have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it, guys. That's all I got for you. I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.